Hello, good night. My name is Raúl Piñeres Escobar. I'm 31 years old. I'm a telecommunication engineering student. Okay. Speaking final presentation. Talk about an inspirational musician and your opinion. I consider Shakira inspiring. She is a woman who has had to become famous with her good work, perseverance, and perseverance stroke. Her life since her adolescence, I consider the singer experience since her artistic life has forget her to tip a of effort and a lot of dedication. Interview or news where the singer talk and report three sentences. She cite and give your opinions about the three sentences. You have mentioned in some interview that you work like your country to have freedom and to be able to talk about it as a reality. I think what you say is very good. Seeing is always a message that hopefully can become a reality in your country, in our country.